Hello guys, welcome to Technology World. Today I'm going to make a fire alarm with Arduino and flame sensor. First of all, get prepared these all things. Flame sensor, buzzer, red LED, green LED, 3 pieces 1K resistor, Arduino upload cable, breadboard and some jumper wire. Follow the circuit diagram and connect the sensor and components to Arduino. After connect, open Arduino IDE. Guys, you can get circuit diagram and Arduino code in description of this video for free. Here, connect the buzzer to pin number 8. Then I connect green LED to pin number 9. And also I connect red LED to pin number 10. If the sensor detects fire, the buzzer will start sound and the two LED will blink. Save the code and upload the code. After upload, it will show done uploading. Now let's test our fire alarm. Yeah, success! Our project working good. See you all on next video. Bye.